If you're dealing with disconnecting underground utilities, you gotta be super careful so nothing goes wrong. Okay, so first off, always get a professional locator to mark where the utilities actually are. You don't want to be guessing underground because hitting a gas line or electrical cable is a huge no-no. Next, use hand tools instead of heavy machinery when you're close to those marked lines. That way, you reduce the risk of accidentally cutting something important. Before you start digging, make sure you've called your local utility notification center so they can send someone out to mark the lines for free. When you're digging, go slow and steady, and keep an eye out for any changes in soil or unexpected obstructions. If you find something that looks like a utility pipe or wire, stop right there and double check with your locator or utility company. Also, wear protective gear like gloves and boots because safety isn't just about the utilities, it's about you too. Remember, if you're ever unsure, it's totally okay to call in pros instead of trying to handle everything yourself. One of the biggest mistakes when disconnecting underground utilities is not getting a professional locator to mark the lines first, which can lead to accidental damage and costly repairs. Fix that by always scheduling a marking service before any digging starts. Another common issue is using heavy equipment too close to the utilities. People think it saves time, but it actually increases risk. The fix is to switch to hand tools when near the marked areas. Lastly, ignoring the local utility notification process often causes delays and even legal trouble. So always call ahead and follow their guidelines to keep everything smooth and safe. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who know how to handle tricky jobs like underground utility disconnections safely and efficiently. It also gives contractors a chance to connect with clients looking for skilled pros, making it easier for everyone to get the job done right.